What if I told you the most valuable asset you own isn't something you can hold in your hand or see in a bank statement? What if I told you it's something you already possess, something incredibly powerful yet often overlooked? It's not stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, despite what the financial gurus might tell you. Those are tools, yes, but they're not the source. It's definitely not real estate, even though owning property can be a great investment. Bricks and mortar are valuable, but they're limited by location and market conditions. The most valuable asset you own is your knowledge, skills, and experiences. Everything you've learned, every challenge you've overcome, every unique perspective you hold, that's where the real gold lies. And the beauty of today's digital economy is that it lets you turn what you know into income, often with incredible leverage. You can share your expertise with the world and get paid for it. No bank loan required, just your ideas, your passion, and a willingness to share what you know. It's about unlocking the potential that's already within you. I started down this path after losing my architecture job. It felt like a setback at the time, but it turned out to be the best thing that ever happened to me. My notes and study process for the LEED exam, a professional certification in sustainable building design, became my first digital product, a simple ebook. I never imagined it would lead to anything significant. But that ebook changed my life in ways I couldn't have predicted. It was the first step on a journey to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. It started generating passive income, allowing me to escape the 9-to-5 grind and ultimately launching my own business. And the best part is, you don't need to be a world-class expert to do this. You don't need to have a PhD or years of experience. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else, willing to share your knowledge and help them on their journey. Everyday knowledge, the kind of things you take for granted, like fixing a computer problem for a friend, planning a detailed and cost-effective trip, or even organizing a cluttered garage in a way that maximizes space and efficiency, can be packaged and sold as a digital product, reaching a global audience eager to learn. The beauty of digital products is that they work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. This allows you to create income without constantly trading your time for money, freeing you up to pursue your passions, and live life on your own terms. So let's unlock that billion-dollar asset you've been carrying around all along, your brain, and start turning your knowledge into a valuable and rewarding income stream. The possibilities are endless. So what exactly a digital product? It's a question many aspiring online entrepreneurs ask themselves. What can you create and sell that exists purely in the digital realm? What kind of value can you offer without physical inventory or shipping costs? It's value packaged digitally. Think of it as information, entertainment, or utility transformed into a format that can be downloaded, streamed, or accessed online. It's about taking your expertise, your creativity, or your problem-solving skills and turning them into something tangible. Even if that tangible thing is a file on a computer, it could be knowledge, entertainment, or tools delivered online. The possibilities are truly endless. There are countless formats, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases. Ebooks. These are a classic for a reason. Guides. Perfect for sharing your expertise in a structured way. Online courses. A more immersive and interactive learning experience. Printables. Quick, easy, and highly practical. Templates. Save your customers time and effort with pre-designed solutions. Software. Powerful tools that can automate tasks or provide unique functionality. And memberships. Build a loyal community and provide ongoing value. Ebooks are a great starting point, especially if you're new to digital product creation. They're relatively simple to produce and can be a fantastic way to share your knowledge on a specific topic. Write a guide, sharing your expertise on a particular subject, a recipe collection, perfect for food bloggers or culinary enthusiasts, or a how-to manual, walking your audience through a specific process. My friend, a personal trainer, saw a need in the market. She sold her home workout routines as a PDF, making fitness accessible to people who couldn't make it to the gym. No publisher needed. You have complete control over your content and your pricing. Online courses let you dive deep into a subject, offering a more comprehensive learning experience than a simple ebook or guide, guiding students step by step through complex topics, with videos making the learning process more engaging and dynamic, and worksheets providing practical exercises to reinforce the concepts. Courses are perfect for teaching complex skills that require detailed explanations and hands-on practice, and can command premium prices, reflecting the value and depth of the content. Printables and templates offer instant gratification and practical solutions, like planners, helping people organize their lives and achieve their goals, or social media kits, empowering businesses to create professional-looking content with ease. They are simple to create and in high demand, making them a great option for beginners. Tools and software can be incredibly valuable, providing users with solutions to specific problems or automating tedious tasks. Like calculators, simplifying complex calculations, or photo presets, allowing photographers to quickly and easily enhance their images. They solve specific problems, making people's lives easier or more efficient. Memberships and communities offer ongoing value, fostering a sense of belonging and providing exclusive content or support, and recurring revenue, creating a sustainable business model. The key is to match your product format to the problem you solve. Don't try to force a square peg into a round hole. There's no single path to digital product success. Choose what fits your expertise and your audience's needs. What are you good at? What problems can you solve? And what format will best deliver that solution? Package your knowledge in the way that delivers the most value. Think about the learning style of your audience and the complexity of the topic. That's how you start building your digital empire, one valuable product at a time. Stuck on what to sell? Try the "you at the bar" test. Imagine chatting with a friend. What topics excite you? What do people ask you for advice on? Make 3 lists: your passions, your skills, and problems you've solved. Passions keep you motivated. Skills are what you're good at. Solved problems are your unique wins. The magic happens where these lists overlap. That's your golden idea. Something you love, you're skilled at, and you've personally overcome. You don't need to invent something new. Just connect the dots of who you already are. Your story and experience are what people will pay for. Don't build in secret. Validate your idea first. Find your audience online. Facebook groups, Reddit, Instagram, blogs, podcasts. Listen to their questions and frustrations. Create a simple landing page describing your product and invite people to join a wait list. Collecting email addresses is proof of interest. If people sign up, you're onto something. Take it further. Pre-sell your product at a discount before it's made. If people pay up front, you have a real business, not just an idea. Validation saves you time, money, and disappointment. Idea validated? Time to create your product. Start simple. Write your ebook in Google Docs, design it in Canva, export as a PDF. For courses, use your smartphone for video, a basic mic for audio, and free tools for screen recording. Host your course on platforms like Teachable or Podia, they handle the tech. Focus on delivering transformation, not perfection. Structure your product as a roadmap. Guide your customer from problem to solution. Break content into small, actionable steps. Use checklists and worksheets to help them progress. Your job is to be their guide, not just an information provider. When you focus on their success, your product will shine. A product sitting idly on your hard drive buried in digital files doesn't help anyone. It's like having a treasure locked away, unseen and unused. All that potential, all that hard work just waiting for its moment to shine. Now it's time to launch. Time to unleash your creation into the world and see it soar. This is where the real journey begins, the moment of truth where your idea meets the market. Your email list is your most valuable asset. It's a direct line to the people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Treat it with care, nurture it, and it will reward you handsomely. Start by warming up your wait list. Don't just bombard them with sales pitches. Engage them, provide value, and build anticipation for what's to come. Share behind-the-scenes content, giving them a sneak peek into the making of your product. Offer valuable tips and advice related to the problem your product solves. This builds trust and positions you as an expert. Launch week. Mark it on your calendar, set your countdown timer, and prepare for a whirlwind of activity. This is the culmination of all your efforts. Open the cart for a limited time. Scarcity drives action. Let people know that this is their chance to get in on the ground floor. Offer a special discount as an incentive for early adopters and send a few key emails highlighting the benefits of your product and addressing any potential objections. Share testimonials from beta users or early customers to build social proof. Answer frequently asked questions to alleviate any concerns and provide clarity, and remind them before the cart closes. Create a sense of urgency and let them know that this is their last chance to take advantage of the special offer. Use every channel at your disposal to spread the word. Social media, engage with your audience, run targeted ads, and share compelling content. Blog, write informative and engaging articles that showcase your expertise and drive traffic to your product page. YouTube, Create video tutorials, product demos, and testimonials to capture attention and build trust. Even webinars. Host online seminars to educate your audience, answer their questions, and showcase the value of your product. Partner with others for affiliate launches. Leverage their audience to reach a wider pool of potential customers, to reach new audiences and expand your customer base. The goal is to build excitement and anticipation for your product launch, create urgency to encourage immediate action, and let people know your solution is here, ready to solve their problems and improve their lives. A strategic launch turns your validation into real sales, transforming your idea into a thriving business. You don't need a big budget to make a big impact, just a well-thought-out plan and some serious hustle. Make a splash and get noticed, and help your audience solve their problem, providing them with a valuable solution that makes a real difference in their lives. That first sale notification? Unforgettable. But it's just the beginning. Now optimize your system for ongoing automated sales. Turn your launch into an evergreen engine. Use automated webinars, email sequences, and content marketing to attract new customers. Keep listening to your audience. Their feedback guides your next product. Focus on helping people, and the money will follow. Here's your challenge. Take action today. Do the you at the bar test. Find your golden idea, and take one step to validate it this week. The world is waiting for your expertise. Share your idea in the comments and join us at the Billionaire Financial Lifestyle Academy. Your empire starts now.
Let's take a look at the new features.